Yes, hello, my name is Norbert Pirk. I work at the Department of Geosciences at the University of Oslo. And together with NIBU, we have a project to understand and model greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture and circular agriculture. And for that, one of the ideas in the project was to use drones, which is what we work on at my department. Normally we use it to measure gas emissions from permafrost environments or other cryospheric emissions from glaciers or underneath glaciers. And now the idea was to use it on cattle and other ruminants. So here's some of the drones that we were planning to equip with gas analyzers for CO2 and methane, and have them fly around farms and animals to see if we can detect and model the source term, the emissions from the cattle. So this is a heavy drone. It's a DJI M300 drone, which comes with heavy batteries and can be equipped with methane analyzers that we have here that measure at ppb resolution of methane. So very detailed gas concentrations, which we hope to use to inverse model the emissions from the cows. And this drone here is something that we built in-house ourselves. It's again a multicopter drone that we can equip with different gas analyzers, and we can fly 4 or 5 of them at the same time in a kind of swarming setup, so that we can get simultaneous data from multiple locations in the domain. We also have fixed wing drones which can carry very light sensors, and we will maybe also see if we can use them, at least here in Norway. The first part of the project will be tested at Kjøtta in northern Norway, and then we will later go to a farm in southern Germany and one in Kenya to see if we can see the gradient in how these cattle behave and what they emit.